Okay. All right, so let me give them a call and then I will text you if that's okay to confirm the time. I'm just preparing my paperwork for my other appointment that's at 3 o'clock. I've been wanting to do that for so long. Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a day in the life. And I have to be quiet because I'm in the prospecting room. Today, I have a pretty busy day. Every day is pretty busy, but there's got a lot going on. I'm a little bit behind schedule, but apart from that, I'm just gonna review my scripts very quickly, get on the phone. Every Monday morning, I like to go over the week and what's the goals and what's going on. And I have this kind of chart that I did, and I have things that I need to work on each day and things that I need to check off each day, like calling expired, setting one listing appointment per day and all of that. And so I will just like go checking it off here. And I just want to see what at the end of the week what that looks like. So today I can check off that posted on social media, and yeah. So the last thing that I have here is this call log sheet that I'm just gonna be logging my calls here. Like, I don't have a dialer, so I can't keep track of those things, so this is gonna help me keep track of that. Right now I'm just gonna review my scripts and then jump into my Zillow and see any new FISBOs. And then if later, I'm just gonna grab the list of some expired listings, and I'm gonna be doing this for about 5 hours. That's the goal. So a little bit after lunch, and I'll take some breaks in between if I need to, but wish me luck. It is currently 11:43. I am about to have some lunch in like 15 minutes and then get back to work after that. But I want to show you guys really quick my schedule for today and how I plan out my days. Oops, you guys can see. I'll have a link up in the screen about how I do my calendar blocking. I'll do an updated one for my real estate career very soon. Today, after my lunch, I'm gonna be doing some client management. Basically just gonna be working on some of my clients right now, do some check-in calls, and after that I'm going to do some marketing, so work on social media. I have to film an episode for a series that I'm doing. And then after that, today I have a site visit for a client that I'm working with. That is a site under construction, 2 properties I think. So I will be doing that. That's my day today. Things change. I wasn't feeling 100% motivated today to do prospecting, and that's okay. Like, you have good days and you also you have bad days, and that's part of it, and that's okay. So I just decided to kind of shorten my prospecting period. That's what today's plan is. All right, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. It's currently 1:30. I have just been on my computer currently printing out. I just printed a sheet from the MLS because one of my buyers is interested in this property, and I'm just gonna see if they want us to schedule a showing. So right now it's my client management time. It's the time where I focus on my active clients, my buyers and sellers, and you know, I do some marketing for my listings. I just did a check-in call with one of my sellers. I did another call earlier today with, oh, there it is. Hello. Alrighty, talk to you later. You're welcome, bye-bye. Alright, so I just sent that text. So I currently have 2 listings, and I'm working with 1 buyer and have a couple other clients, but actively is 2 listings and 1 buyer. One of my listings is under contract, so we're kind of working on that and getting to closing, and then my other listing is in the showing stage. That's what I was just doing right now, just texting one of the buyer's agent to see if we can reschedule a showing because it doesn't work for my sellers. That's what I've been doing, and this is where I work a lot of the time. This is our launch pad, basically where the new agents come and just have the space to work from. So So right now I'm just gonna keep working. I have to do some searches for my other investor buyers. I need to send it to them. What else? That's about it. That's what I'm working on right now, so I will update you guys later. Hey, I have a quick question for you. I'm doing some searches for my investor and I see a lot of properties in like Tampa that are tenant occupied. Do you even send those properties to them? Should I send them to them even though they're... Because I think because they are flippers, so they're looking for something to flip, not for like an investment cash flow kind of thing. So
Sometimes based on price.
Because the certain ones we want to see home every time.
Price, sale price, sales price, yeah.
Correct, yes.
That.
And
hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to the printing to get my papers for my listing appointment that I have today at 3. Exciting. Hi. Hey guys, so I'm sorry I didn't vlog yesterday. I actually forgot my camera at home, but yesterday it was pretty good prospecting day. I got 2 listing appointments. One of them canceled because they actually went under contract. The market is so crazy right now, but I'm just preparing my paperwork for my other appointment that's at 3 o'clock. It's currently 12:51 right now. So I'm just gonna get this ready and then I have to do more admin work because I have a closing tomorrow. My first closing, so I'm very excited. And yeah, so I have to make a couple of phone calls for that as well. So let's go. It is much later in the day today. It is 7:10 right now. And I'm just doing a lot of admin work right now because I got another listing today. I was just at an appointment at 3 o'clock, the one I told you guys about, and I got the listing, so I'm very grateful for that. So I got all the paperwork here, and then I have a closing tomorrow that I'm preparing all the paperwork for. I got the settlement statement beforehand, so I'm gonna go over it with her, make sure she has everything that she needs to bring for closing. I'm preparing also the closing gifts for everyone, so I'm very excited. It's really exciting. So that's what I'm doing right now. We use this system called Command on Keller Williams, and basically it's like a CRM that holds all of our documents and everything. So I'm currently using DocuSign because they either provide us Dotloop or DocuSign, we can choose. I started with DocuSign, so I'm still at it, but I actually tried Dotloop today and I kind of liked it, so I might be switching, I don't know. So I'm just getting ready the file to submit to my market center so I can get paid and make sure it's under compliance or whatever. And I made a mistake. I forgot to do this a bit ahead of time, making sure that all the paperwork is good, so that I could get my disbursement authorization or something. Basically, I can get paid at closing. But because I didn't do this ahead of time, because I didn't know, I have to submit it now. The office has to pay me directly, not the title company, something like that. So, lesson learned, you guys don't make the same mistake. I'm just gonna make sure that everything is, I'm uploading all the documents that I have from DocuSign to here and submit it, and then we should be good to go. This is my priority right now. My new listing, after stuff can wait. Like I already scheduled the photographer, but I have to do, you know, get the lockbox ready, the sign ready, marketing plan ready. So it's gonna go live on Monday. Really exciting. So far, every single month since I've been licensed, I've been getting a listing. So I've been getting 1 listing per month, which I think is really awesome for, especially for a new agent. So very proud of myself. This is another for sale by owner listing that I got from Zillow. Not Zillow leads, but just Zillow. So it's been working pretty well. All of my listings right now are from for sale by owners. So that's where I'm at. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow for closing. It's really exciting. I'm really excited. I have my outfit ready. I've been waiting for this moment for months. Oh my god. Okay, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I never wear eyelashes. This is so weird. Okay, good morning everyone. It is October 1st. It is currently 8:18 in the morning. Bit of a late start to my day. I've been not waking up so early this week because I've been going to sleep really late. Things have been just crazy, but today is closing day and I'm so excited about it. But before we get into like closing stuff, I have to do some searches for my buyers. I'm just gonna log into my MLS, send those emails out before 8:45, and I need to head to the office so I can do the rest of my work there. Yeah, so excited. So I made a stop at Publix because I need to finish getting ready my closing gifts. So I'm just gonna be doing something very simple. I'm gonna be going in there and see what I can find and then head to the office. I do have to call my seller because I need the keys to the property before 2:30 because that's when the buyers are closing. So I'm trying to get in touch with her. So hopefully she picks up before I head down to the office. Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's Friday, October 2nd. Yesterday I had my first closings and I'm just really excited. I have my check just right there. I have to take it to the office today. You guys are gonna come along with me for today. Just have to finish the paperwork for this closing that I just did and submit it to compliance because I didn't do that on time. So I have to do that, and then I have to get 2 documents signed by the seller that I didn't know how to be signed. The thing is, like, with this listing, or when I started working, I got my first deal the second week of being a real estate agent because I started working and prospecting the first day that I got signed with Keller Williams. My point is that I didn't have a chance to do trainings or anything about transactions, anything about contracts or anything like that. I just was kind of taking it step by step and focusing on prospecting and lead generating, but it is important to know these things. So I would recommend that you guys balance those two out, so you're not like me running last minute to get these paperwork signed. That's what I'm gonna do today. I have a script practice session with an agent from my office at 12, which I'm really excited about. They are one of the top agents in the office, so I'm really excited to get that session with her. So I want to practice my scripts, of course, beforehand. Yeah, mainly marketing, admin work, and if I can do some prospecting, I will. I'm going to print out the paperwork that I need signed for my seller in case I can catch her before leaving or something, and then we'll head to the office. Hello, I'm calling about the house for sale. Is this the owner? Yeah, this is Julieniz with Keller Williams. The reason I'm calling is because I work with a lot of buyers and sellers in your area, so I just wanted to find out what I can do to help you. By the way, again, my name is Julieniz, and yours? Hey Robert, when you sell this property, where are you going to next? What's going on, everyone? I am in the prospecting rooms. Obviously, I'm at the office. I have been practicing my scripts because I'm gonna have a role play session at 12, so I just wanted to be prepared. I gave the check to the market center administrators, so I don't know when I'm getting my actual check, but hopefully soon. Once I do the role play session, then I'm gonna go into doing my transaction management stuff, like client management, I call it. So I have to do some calls and some things on the computer, and then marketing, which I'm so excited. I love marketing. I'll talk to you guys later. I just got an email that my check is ready. I've been wanting to do that for so long.